Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Atteeq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Atteeq Anwar, and Education for Us All. We were going to make this very simple tortillo roll, so I thought I would film it. And it is going to be introduced by our resident master chef, Mrs. Anwar Jr. So, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अच्छा जी, बताइए ये आपकी रेसिपी कैसे बनेगी?
ये सिंपल रेसिपी है। सबसे पहले हमने इस पे अपना मायोनीज़ और केचप मिक्स करके लगाना है। उसके बाद हमने उसमें अपनी बंद गोभी ऐड करनी है। उसके बाद चिकन ऐड करना है और हमने इसमें चीज़ ऐड करके इसको बंद करके थोड़ी देर के लिए
Okay, so as you can see, there's various things. There's a salad there, and we've got a filling that is actually a chicken that's been cooked. Buna is the word I would use. Okay. So just some ketchup on there. And then some mayo. Okay, so sauces to taste. We like ketchup and mayo. Okay, mix that and give that a good spread. जी ये क्या है जी फिलिंग?
ये इसमें हम फिलिंग कर रहे हैं चिकन की। सबसे पहले
चिकन फिलिंग. Okay, in the middle. And we're going to add some salad to that. This is up to you. It can be salad or cabbage as well, of course. And a few onions. Okay, I think our tortillo is ready for the wrap, as it were. So what we do is a fold at the bottom and then a fold at the side and roll it over. And there you have it, our tortillo ready to eat. There you go, viewers. Nice, simple recipe. I do hope you're going to try that. Look after yourselves, look after others, keep following the channel, tell all your friends about it. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.